At first glance, it seems like an old mining town. But then you look around, you see how different it is, and yet somehow it all makes sense. Hello, my friends, and greetings from New Mexico. I'm just outside Albuquerque, about to head up on Highway 14 to a quirky, artsy, fun little town called Madrid. And I'm excited to bring you with me. This is part 4 in the New Mexico series. We've already done ancient, abandoned, and just other really unusual places. So today, we're just having fun. Highway 14 is also known as a turquoise trail because of the rich deposits of the mineral found throughout the area. And there's a section of it which is also part of historic Route 66. Coming up is one of the coolest houses I've ever seen. Part of it is made from an old Santa Fe Railroad boxcar. Welcome to Madrid. It's part ghost town and part art gallery, but somehow it all works. It's Sunday afternoon, so things are hopping. Check out this cool old fire truck from back in the mining days. This is Maggie's Main Street Diner. But don't come here for a bite to eat. It's actually a t-shirt and souvenir shop. This entire structure was built as a backdrop for the 2007 movie Wild Hogs, starring John Travolta and Tim Allen. It's the only one of the movie's sets still standing here in Madrid. The old school countertop and stools are still here, but they're sharing space with sunglasses, bandanas, and lots of t-shirts. I know I'm always saying how artsy and beautiful everything is in New Mexico, but seriously, even the gravel is made from colored glass. Every time I come to Madrid, I have to go to Connie's Photo Park. It's a great opportunity to take some silly pictures with these great hand-painted carnival cutouts. Unfortunately, I'm alone this trip, so I can't. But don't worry, I've taken plenty with friends in the past. I took an outdoor bath. Yvonne and Larry went to jail. I had to pose as an alien. And my sister went for a cruise in her Chrysler. And then I got to meet the artist herself, Miss Connie, just making some touch-ups. Turquoise Gem sells jewelry made from locally mined turquoise. And check out these cool water fountains just made from random hunks of rock. We're in the south end of town now at Gypsy Plaza, and I'm about to show you a little slice of heaven. Okay, here we are, my favorite place in all of Madrid, Sugarman's. It's a little chocolate shop. Wait till you see in here. Everything is made here, and it's amazing. Check out this incredible menu. Oh, how I wish I could eat chocolate. But thank goodness for white chocolate because it doesn't have caffeine, and Harvey and Nan make the most amazing chocolates.
This is strawberry lemonade.
Harvey, which one is this?
Ginger, hibiscus, and lemon.
Okay.
35% cocoa butter. Fair trade. It doesn't have all that sugar and paraffin like those commercial white chocolates.
Wonderful. All right.
This also is a new one that's a raspberry white truffle. It's amazing.
Oh my gosh. Fantastic.
That white version tastes.
This is an orange French crepe. Take a crepe, I crush it, and I put orange essence in there.
Oh, how wonderful. Okay, it's about to go in my mouth. Strawberry lemonade.
Yeah.
Thank you. Oh my God. I'm going to have to take one of everything.
If it's going to be needed in the next couple
What
of
did you
weeks.
think of that ginger, hibiscus, and lemon?
I love it.
Isn't that great?
Yeah, it is fantastic. I mean, It just doesn't get any better than this. It's handmade right there in the shop with the finest, freshest, most unique ingredients. Just amazing. White chocolate.
Alright, so we've got this much. And since it's by weight, I'm just going to put this on.
Yes,
and you can tell me
do
if that's
that.
the right amount.
That's wonderful.
Okay.
That's fabulous.
And then,
Let's see what else. Oh, some strawberry. I gotta have some strawberry lemonade.
the
Yes.
best thing in here. Do we
Yes.
need something similar to that or that cookie?
Smaller.
Do we
Yeah.
want one of those two?
My left.
No worries. Gotcha.
And I think I have to try one of these
Oh my
truffles.
gosh, this is raspberry truffle with white chocolate. It takes me 6 bites to eat one of these because it is so rich and just like you're gonna have a wonderful.
I can do it in 2.
Well, you might want to do it in 6 to really savor
I'll take
it.
2 slow ones.
Whatever works for you. There is no chocolate place.
Fabulous.
So,
Okay.
anything else for you?
I think that's going to be all.
Awesome.
So you're the truffle man, huh?
I am. I also make all of the caramel and the toffee and
wow.
a couple other odds and ends that are, require specialized treatments. I'm more than willing to deal with gallons of liquid that are over 400 degrees, and not many people can say that.
Yeah.
No.
And he
I
does
can't.
amazing stuff. So he's part of the reason that we're so successful.
All right.
Hey
All
there.
right. Well, thank you. I'm just going to pay up and skedaddle.
You get
Bye-bye.
everything to me. Bye. Thank you so very
Good
much.
luck.
Bye. Thank you. Take care. I love that place. I love those people. They're fantastic. That's Harvey, and his last name really is Sugarman, and he sells candy. Go figure. If you can't make it to Madrid, don't worry. Just go online and place an order. Just Google Sugarman's Little Chocolate Shop. This house just is so typical of Madrid. The beautiful colors, the fun decorations. But can you imagine having to put a traffic cone up that says private property? I mean, I bet people were constantly trying to get in their house thinking it was a store. This is the local radio station. .9 KMRD. Everything's more fun in Madrid, isn't it? Java Junction is a wonderful little spot to just sit outside, relax, have a coffee, a tea, and just do some people watching. If I could live anywhere, it would be here in Madrid. I would absolutely love that. It is just my kind of place. But the issue is these old little mining shacks, they're going for about $500,000 now. See, I should have been here back in the 70s. Mining here ended in the 50s, and in the 1970s, that's when the artists and hippies moved in. I'm afraid to even ask. All right, let's head up the steps. In this raised shopping strip, there's Indigo Gallery, which sells fine art. At Belle of the West, you'll find the work of local artists who make jewelry, ceramics, and clothing. And now, one of my very favorite shops. This is called Jezebel, and it's half like soda fountain gift shop and half art gallery. So these are all local artists. It's pretty. I love that. Oh my God, very, very Monet. Yes, monkey, I love Madrid too. Look at all these fun little miniatures. And yeah, an alien. Hello, come to mama. There's a great assortment of really pretty jewelry. And look, there's a scorpion if you need one. There's a huge variety of candles, essential oils, body oils, and look at all these soaps. Oh, this one's cool. They're made to look like rocks. Oh, okay, here's where the good stuff is. Oh my. Oh wow, look at all these incredible flavors of gelato. I am completely in heaven. I'm just gonna sit here in this beautiful garden and enjoy my coconut and salted caramel gelato. This coconut's so good. And I know coconut is sort of a divisive flavor, but for me, these beautiful woven baskets. This beautiful hand-knit sweater would be amazing if you know any tiny little people. Absolutely gorgeous. When I see beautiful wall art like this, it kind of makes me wish I had a home, or at least some walls in my van to hang it. If you need canned bison, this is the place. Ooh, these are some beautiful desert roses. Jezebel showcases the crafts of many local artists. And Jezebel, the owner, specializes in stained glass and especially chandeliers. Now let's take a walk past this huge wooden sculpture to the Madrid rail yard. All right, quiz time. Who knows what kind of car this is? You get a free sticker if you do. Let's walk through the Mineshaft Cantina, which will eventually join the Mineshaft Bar. And let me tell you, it's always a good time. They serve lunch and dinner, and they have live music every weekend. We made it through the cantina, passing through the Old West Saloon, and now we're headed to the passageway to get us to the old, famous Mineshaft Tavern. It's a historic 1947 bar and former company town saloon known for its 40-foot bar. It was a hub for miners and now for bikers and artists. This current iteration replaced the 1895 saloon that burnt down in 1944. You could say it serves as a town social center. I'll tell you firsthand, they serve the best green chili bison cheeseburger I've ever had. This old building was once a boarding house. It now serves as a small grocery for this tiny community of 250 people. The Trading Bird has this really cool Chevy Bel Air sitting right outside. I think it's a 61. All right, all you vintage car people, can you help me out? Always October wants you to know it's not a Halloween store. It's a spooky boutique. So if you need a pair of beetle wing earrings or silicone fly jewelry, this is a place for you. They also carry candles, spooky t-shirts, jewelry, and hand-crocheted characters like these little South Park figures. Here we are at the Old Coal Miners Museum. It's a big, dusty collection of artifacts showing life decades ago. There are a lot of old bottles, horseshoes, oil lamps, and an assortment of mining equipment and even some children's toys. Look at this amazing collection of old photographs. The museum isn't always open because they're making some improvements, so call ahead if you'd like to check it out. Well, I hope you enjoyed this walking tour of Madrid, my favorite tiny town with tons of personality. I had so much fun, and I'm so glad I got to share it with you. I'm headed about an hour south to spend the night at a Walmart parking lot. I just have a couple errands tomorrow, and then I'll be off to Colorado. Thanks so much for joining me. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like. Consider subscribing or becoming a channel member. Please leave me a comment, because you know I love hearing from you. Take care. Love you. See you next time.